S&P and Nasdaq finished at record highs yesterday. What stocks can you buy or should you buy with the major indexes at or near all-time highs? Joining us now with a couple of Squawk picks is Ryan Payne, president of Payne Capital Management. And it really shouldn't be a profound thought to buy stocks that are at highs in a market that's at highs, because if they're participating and they're good companies and they're well run, they should be at highs. No one, in my experience, that buys stocks at 52-week lows and think they know that it's going to turn around. That never works. They hit new lows. New highs, stocks at new highs hit new highs. So this is not that profound. But let's go over it.
All right, fair enough.
All right,
I like to think I'm profound, but
okay, well, you're not. Anyway, Lockheed Martin. This is not just a 52-week high; it's an all-time high.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, yeah. The valuation is still not exorbitant. If you look at it, what is it, 18 times or something?
Right, a little bit less than the S&P, which is like 19 times, and it was up like 50% last year. So a lot of the big tech stocks are up that much as well, but the valuations are much higher.
So what else has Lockheed fundamentally got going for it?
Okay, well, I like defense in general, and we have another $22 billion to spend this year on defense. Trump would like more if he could get it, but I don't think he's going to get it. If you look at it, they really have, on the hypersonic missiles, things like that, they're really the best player. When it comes to things like that, we're going to see the government spend more money on that. Also, I like the fact that you have the Sikorsky helicopter. There's about $100 billion worth of contracts that they can get with that helicopter, which they bought about 4 years ago, that company. So the future still looks bright, a lot of contracts to get, and they're probably in the lead position to get those contracts.
Well, we built some nice boards for you, didn't we? Those were your points that you told us about it, and then we did that.
I mean, I'm impressed.
You say it there, and it comes out here. Okay, how about Netflix, which is not at an all-time high?
Okay, it is not an all-time high. The stock's
52-week high.
52-week high, but also it's 60 times forward earnings, so it's not cheap here. But what I do like about the stock is if you look at its overseas growth, they had 25 million new subscribers overseas last year.
That's what the stock keys off of at this point, right?
Exactly right. And also the organic content, right? Because the big thing is they're losing things like Friends, content that they're licensing. But the reality of it is the real growth for them is if they can keep getting more organic content, which they're spending a lot of money on.
In my view, there's a lot of potential for growth in Europe for this, because I just was it. Did you have anything to watch, Becky, in Davos, Sorkin? Anything? If you didn't have Netflix?
I didn't have time to watch anything.
What are you talking about?
Well, that's because you're doing all
watching television.
When you go back to your room, or in the more at night, or go to sleep, you're out having caviar and vodka.
I didn't turn on the TV the entire time.
I'm watching German language Law and Order, trying to figure out who did it.
Turn the TV on.
Huh?
Subtitles on?
Well, that's why Netflix should be good, because the rest of the world needs our programming, because their programming stinks. All right. Anyway,
so no German TV for you.
Yeah, it's in German.
Well, not only that, it's our stuff anyway. But all the stuff that they do have is like where we were 50 years ago, like these talk shows with these weird
It's so
people.
different everywhere.
German TV is very, very weird in general. Let's face it. Let's be real.
Yeah. Although, what, French TV is any better? Yeah, but in Davos it is. All right. How about Monster?
Ugly American.
Huh? Ugly, stupid America. I thrive. Anyway, Monster beverage. This is at an all-time high.
Yes, and it's energy sports drinks, which is just a euphemism for a caffeinated beverage with a lot of sugar. For some reason, it's in the sports market. I don't really get that, but it's good branding. And one of their newest line is called Predator. I think they should rebrand that personally, Joe, but that's just my opinion. But what I like about it...
For a financial guy, that's not a great...
it's not a great name to have.
They need some hard seltzer is what they need. Can you mix alcohol with healthy stuff and caffeine?
I think that sounds like a great business model. We should experiment with that, but it might just explode because of all the unnatural ingredients in there.
Oh, natural schmatural. Anyway, did we build something for you?
This is, and look, if I touch
I want to bring it up.
Look at that.
We don't have elements for this one? Why not?
That's profound right there.
Why not? We did it for the other ones. Anyway, at least, but you're not recommending Microsoft at all?
Well, I mean, if you look at valuation...
That's not one of your picks today.
I wanted to stay away from big tech.
No, I know, but it was okay.
I wanted to give you something a little more creative.
My notes said, anyway.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ryan Payne.